Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the result that we finished in the BMW E60 series and 2005. The car came with some errors, previous error, and it actually got the faulty CD player. It burnt out, and it has some error from the system that actually come up now with the service need. But to put it on the side, we bypass the system amplifier and CD player, and we get the 12.3 inch head unit system with the wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto thing. So currently the system is running very nice by itself. The sound is very good because we already put in the Pioneer FD series amplifier inside, so the sound is very nice and the system is running very nice by itself. You can touch the screen to control it, and you can listen to music from here, or anything about this one. And if you want to go on the app, just click on everything about this, and it's very easy. The system also is fit with the new Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera, which you can see it right here, that when we put it into reverse, it will show that thing and it will keep showing that. Okay, so yeah, it is the 12.3 inch system, very nice on the dash, very modern look and easy to use. Considering there's some error from the system that the owner will need to rectify later, but other than that, the new system with the inside here, the inbuilt new Pioneer amplifier, make the sound and the system working nice. And yep, that's about the thing. And yep, we love how it sits on the car. 12.3 inch is huge. It definitely is huge in the car. So yep, thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.